Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript const keyword. The const keyword was introduced in ECMAScript 6. Variables defined with const cannot be redeclared, variables defined with const cannot be reassigned, and variables defined with const have block scope. Let me give an example. Now let's come in here and type in script tag, and within a script tag I'm gonna type, say, const, and I'm gonna type in here foo equals 10, and if I type it here foo equals 30 and console log foo, hit save, it gives us an error, assignment to constant variable. It also gives us the line number. Let me close this for now, and I'm gonna reopen my console. Alright, so we cannot reassign the const variable. Now I have deleted the code inside this script tag and type in here const foo semicolon, and I'm gonna type in here, sorry, it's const, and now if I assign a value after declaring const variable, it'll give us an error. Let me assign a value to our const variable, say bar, hit save, and we got this error, missing initializer in const declaration. Now let's talk about const block scope, and let's come in here. I'm gonna delete it for now, and I'm gonna type in here const foo equals bar, and I'm gonna type in here curly braces, and I'm gonna redeclare const foo equals bar 1. And now I'm gonna access here with console log foo. If I hit save, we get this bar. We cannot access this foo outside the block code, or we cannot access this foo inside the code. Let's call it foo1, hit save, and we cannot access this foo outside this block, or let's cut this from here and paste it here. Now if I hit save, we get this bar 1, but if we try to access this foo which is outside this block, let's come in here and type 1, hit save, we get bar. We can access this foo1 inside the block, but we cannot access const variables declared inside a block outside this block. We cannot also reassign an existing const variable in the same scope. Let's come in here and type, say, const foo1 equals 10. Now if I cut it from here and paste it here and save, we got an error. Identifier foo1 has already been declared on line number 11, so we cannot redeclare it. Or if I come in here and cut it from here, paste it here and type in, let's delete this for now, and I'm gonna type in here or remove it, and if I try to redeclare const foo, say 10, Let me fix this. Const and hit save. We again got an error. Identifier foo has already been declared. Now I'm gonna delete this and type in here foo, or if I say console log phone name, and I declare it after I use const phone name equals iPhone, and it's saved. We got an error on line number 12, which is this, and it reads cannot access phone name before initialization. And that was all about const keyword. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.